Cybersecurity is one of the highest paying fields today, but most people have no idea which job actually fits them. In this video, I'll break down the 8 most important cybersecurity roles, what they do, how to get in, and what they pay. Let's start with one of the most common entry points into cybersecurity, the SOC Analyst. The SOC Analyst is the first line of defense. They monitor logs and alerts, investigate suspicious activity, respond to phishing attempts or malware detections, and escalate real threats to the incident response team. Best starting point? CompTIA Security Plus. Widely recognized, teaches security fundamentals, and accepted by many companies for junior SOC roles. Want to aim higher long-term? The GIAC GSEC is the gold standard. SOC analysts sit on the lower end of the cybersecurity pay scale, around $55,000 to $85,000 per year in the US. But it's a strong entry point with a clear path upward. While SOC analysts detect attacks, the penetration tester does the exact opposite. He attacks, but with permission. A pen tester performs authorized, controlled attacks on systems to find vulnerabilities before real attackers do. Web apps, networks, cloud environments, APIs, mobile apps, everything gets tested and documented in a structured report. Realistic starting point, EJPT, practical, beginner-friendly, hands-on. The absolute gold standard, OSCP, a 24-hour practical exam that proves you can actually hack and document your work. Pen testing pays above average, around $85,000 to $140,000 per year. Senior specialists and red team operators earn significantly more. Pen testers simulate attack, but what happens when a real attack actually hits? That's where the incident responder steps in. Incident responders analyze logs, investigate malware, examine memory and disk images, and figure out exactly how the attacker got in. The goal? Contain the threat and eliminate it. Starting point, CompTIA CISA Plus for threat detection and response fundamentals. Next level, GIAC Incident Handler, or GCIH, widely recognized and deeply practical. Incident response pays very well, around $90,000 to $150,000 per year. Incident responders solve crises, but security engineers build the systems that prevent them in the first place. A security engineer configures firewalls, endpoint protection, SIEM systems, identity and access controls, and cloud security policies. They work closely with IT teams and make sure systems are resilient against modern threats. Starting point, CompTIA Security for a broad security foundation, or Cisco CCNA if you want a stronger networking background. Long-term, Cisco CCNP Security or cloud certifications for serious credibility. Security engineers earn around $100,000 to $150,000 per year. With room to grow for cloud specialists, more and more companies are moving to the cloud, and they need someone to secure those environments. That's the cloud security engineer, one of the most in-demand and best-paid roles in the entire industry. His responsibilities include identity and access controls, network security, encryption, logging and monitoring, all in the cloud. Starting point, AWS Cloud Practitioner, or an equivalent foundational cloud certification. Gold standard, CCSP, Certified Cloud Security Professional. Deep, broad, and widely respected. Cloud security engineers earn around $130,000 to $180,000 per year. Experienced multi-cloud specialists earn even more. So far, we've looked at technical roles, but cybersecurity also needs strategic thinkers. Welcome to GRC Governance, Risk, and Compliance. A GRC professional develops security policies, conducts risk assessments, manages audits, and ensures the organization meets all legal and regulatory requirements. They connect technical security with business strategy and regulation. Starting point, ISO 27001 Foundation, an introduction to information security management. Long-term, ISO 27001 Lead Implementer, or CISSP for leadership roles. GRC sits between average and above average, around $80,000 to $130,000. As a CISO, significantly more. While GRC sets the rules, the threat intelligence analyst focuses on understanding who the attackers actually are. They analyze malware campaigns, track hacker groups, collect OSINT, monitor the dark web, and map everything to frameworks like MITRE-AT and CK. The goal? Helps security teams anticipate threats before they hit. Starting point, EC Council, CTIA, Practical Fundamentals in Intelligence Gathering and Analysis. Gold standard, GIAC Cyber Threat Intelligence, or GCTI, deep expertise, highly respected. Threat intelligence roles pay above average, around $95,000 to $150,000, with upside in specialized intelligence teams. Last job, and one of the most modern ones, DevSecOps and application security. This is about integrating security directly into software development, not at the end, but from the very beginning. Responsibilities include code reviews, static and dynamic analysis, CI/CD pipeline security, container scanning, and close collaboration with developers. Starting point, AWS Cloud Practitioner, or Azure Fundamentals, since modern app security is often cloud native. Long-term, GIACGCSA or CSSLP, Recognized certifications for secure software development. DevSecOps and application security roles pay very well, around $130,000 to $180,000 per year, and senior specialists earn significantly more. That's a clear breakdown of the 8 most important cybersecurity roles, what they do, how you get in, and what they pay. Use this overview to figure out where you fit and which path aligns with your strengths and goals.